Hey guys, in this video we're gonna deal with function calling methods in C program. Let's get into the video. How to call a function in a program? There are two ways to call the function in a program. Namely, one is call by value, another one is by call by reference. Before we learn about what is calling function, we have to know that what is parameter? Parameter is nothing but there are two types of parameter. One is actual parameter, another one is formal parameter. Actual parameter is a parameter passed to a function, that is we are sending something into one function is called actual parameter. Formal parameter is a parameter which is received by a function. In simple words, actual parameter which is sending something, formal parameter which is receiving something. We will make this clear by the below following example. Here in the example, m and n are called actual parameter because they pass to a function, and a and b function are called formal parameter because these are the parameter received by the function. Now we are clear with what is parameter. Let's get started to calling functions. Call by value. Here the value of variable is passed to a function as parameter. Call by value. The name itself indicates that we are just calling a value, not a variable or an address. The value of actual parameter cannot be modified by formal parameter. Here in the second point, the value of actual parameter cannot be modified by formal parameter. This is an important point to know the difference between call by value and call by reference. Different memory is allocated for both actual and formal parameter because the value of actual parameter is copied to formal parameters. That's why the actual parameter cannot be modified by formal parameter. Let us consider int x is equal to 10 and y equal to 20. Here x and y creates a memory space and stores 10 and 20. In the function part, it also creates a memory space for x and y, and it's called a function. Therefore, the value changes from 10 to 20 and 20 to 10. Here the value is just called, not an address or the variable is called. And this is a program for call by value. Here first I have written that the preprocessor directive hash includes here.h, and I have written that the prototype of a function void swap int comma in colon. Every line in a program should end with semicolon. Int main, and in the curly braces I am declaring a variable int a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. It just creates a memory space a, b and stores 10 and 20. This main part is called calling function. Here I have written a program for swapping. Therefore I need a temporary variable. Therefore I am declaring that int t equal to a equal to b and b equal to t. Printf after swapping a is equal to percentage d comma b equal to percentage d. This swapping part is called function. It also creates a memory space for a and b, and the value get changed. In more detail, in the above program, main function is called calling function. The swap function is called function. In call by value called function, we process the data that will affect only the local variable a comma b of the call function. It will not affect the calling function, that is main. Once we process the data in the call function, we can only access the called function, not a calling function. Therefore, it does not make any change in the calling function. That only makes change in the called function. Eventually, the output as follows. Before swapping, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. After swapping, a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. After swapping, it just called an value, not a variable address. So, the value remains the same. A is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. And we are moving towards call by reference. The name itself indicates that we are just referring the address of the variable. Here the address of the variable is passed to a function as parameter. The value of actual parameter can be modified by formal parameter. In call by value, the parameter cannot be modified. Here it can be modified. Same memory is used for both actual and formal parameter, since only address is used by both parameter. So this is called call by reference. In simple words, we are just calling the address of the variables and swapping the addresses. The programming for call by reference is the same swapping program. Here I am declaring the preprocessor directive hash includes h and void sub, and here I am using star because it denotes the address of the variable, and int main. In the curly braces, I am declaring a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. It creates a memory space, and here the 2001 and 2002 is the address of those variables. Here just address get only swapped. So int int a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. The memory is created and the values are located. Printf before swapping values is equal to print values swap ampersand a comma ampersand b. Here we are just calling an address. Printf after swapping values in main, a is equal to %d, b is equal to %d. The values of actual parameters do change in call function. Here I am writing a program for swapping. As like in the call by value, I am declaring a temporary variable. Here the address of the variable swapped means that the value present in that memory location also gets swapped. The memory only not swapped, but also the value present in that memory also gets swapped. The output for call by references. Before swapping the values in main, a equal to 10, b equal to 20. After swapping values in function a is equal to 20, b is equal to 10. After swapping, we are just called an address. So a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. The difference between call by value and call by reference is, for call by value, a copy of value is passed into a function. For reference, an address of value is passed into a function. Change made inside the function is limited to the function only. The values of actual parameter do not change by changing the formal parameter. In reference, changes made inside the function validate outside the function also. The values of actual parameter do change by changing the formal parameters, because we are just changing the address, right? Actual and formal arguments are created at the different memory location for call by value. Actual and formal arguments are created at the same memory location for call by reference. Conclusion. I hope you guys understand what is meant by call by value and call by reference. Let me know ASAP in the comments below. Thank you.